Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your accessible navigation from WordPress to Shopify, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your accessible navigation from WordPress to Shopify, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Appearance section and select Menus. Identify the menu you want to transfer and click on it to open. Take note of the structure, including all menu items and any sub-items. Open a text editor to document the menu items, ensuring you capture the hierarchy. Next, log into your Shopify admin panel. In Shopify, go to Online Store and then select Navigation. Click on the main menu or the menu you wish to update. To create a new menu item, click on Add Menu Item. Enter the name of the menu item as recorded from WordPress. For the link, choose the appropriate destination. If the link is to a page within Shopify, select the page from the list. For external links, paste the URL directly into the link field. Save your changes after adding each menu item. To create sub-items, drag and drop the newly created items beneath their parent item. Ensure the indentation reflects the correct hierarchy you've noted. Continue adding all items until you have replicated the entire menu structure from WordPress. Review the newly created menu to confirm everything matches what you had in WordPress. Once satisfied, go back to your online store to check the newly updated navigation. Test each menu item to ensure all links direct to the right pages. Make any necessary adjustments to improve user experience. Finally, consider accessibility features to enhance navigation further. Your accessible navigation is now successfully transferred to Shopify. Enjoy your new setup, ensuring it's fully functional and user-friendly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.